Hello guys, and welcome to Action Food and Adventure. And today we're going to be cooking chickpea masala, which is originally from India. Pop pop, let's go! Guys, so we got all the ingredients. So I got one of my friends from Bison. He's from India, so he's gonna be teaching me how to cook masala.
Chanamasala.
Chanamasala.
Yeah.
And where is Chanamasala originally from?
Yeah, it's originated from India.
Yeah.
It's one of the famous dish in India.
Wow. Well, I've only tried it in the restaurant, but I never made it. But he's made it many times, right? You made it many times.
Yeah.
So he's gonna be teaching me. So tell us about the ingredients. What ingredients do we have here?
We have one fully chopped onion, then we have black pepper, then we have ginger garlic paste, then we have cumin seeds, then this is coriander seed already powdered, finely grounded powder, then we have turmeric powder. You can use red chilli as well as this is red chilli powder we are using in this dish, and this is salt, and we are using bay leaves too, and some oil to fry all these masalas.
Perfect. That sounds like it's gonna be an amazing meal. I'm really excited about that.
But we are missing the main ingredients,
Which is?
chana. Chickpeas we are missing, so we need to go to purchase it. Let's go.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the course and get the chickpeas, guys. Let's go. So that's the first we're gonna get?
Yeah.
Perfect. What is that?
Yeah, we want some coriander leaves.
Yeah?
Yeah, so we are buying coriander leaves.
Yeah,
Move
perfect.
towards another dish.
Okay, perfect. And now we're looking for the chickpeas, right?
Yeah.
So let's get the chickpeas.
We are using canned chickpeas.
Canned chickpeas, yeah? Canned chickpeas. Perfect. And that's only $1.60.
Yeah.
Perfect. Done. That's all the ingredients we need?
No, we need few masala items.
Okay, let's go get it, yeah? Where can we find it? We can find it. So what are we trying to get from here?
We want star anise.
Yeah?
Here.
Those? Yeah. Perfect.
One of these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, let's do it. Perfect, guys. So we got all the ingredients now. So we'll just go through the ingredients to make the masala.
The main ingredient for cooking chana masala is chickpeas.
Yeah.
Now we are using canned chickpeas. We can use normal chickpeas, but we need to soak it for 8 hours.
Okay.
So we are going for canned chickpeas. It's easier.
Perfect.
Then we got some mixed masala items.
Yeah.
In this coriander seeds is there, and cloves are there, and cumin seeds are there. Then 2 cups of diced tomatoes. Then cloves and star anise for masala. Then coriander leaves for garnishing. Then 1 cup of chopped onion, black pepper, rosemary seeds, ginger garlic paste, then cumin seeds, and finely grounded with coriander powder, then turmeric powder, then red chilli powder, salt and bay leaves, and some cooking oil.
Perfect. So we ready to start cooking?
Yeah, we are ready to start.
Perfect. Let's start. It's time to start. We just put in the chickpea in there now.
Yeah, and we are adding 2 tablespoons of salt.
Yeah.
Then we are giving 1 whistle because it is already canned chickpeas.
So we're adding 2 cups of water?
Yeah, we are adding 2 cups of water.
Yeah.
Then we are closing it.
Yeah.
And waiting for this. Just frying masalas.
Yeah. So this is the part that you're gonna fry the.
Yeah, we added a little bit of oil.
Yeah.
After that, we're going to add all the masala stuff.
Yeah. Perfect. So you're gonna put all the stuff together and then.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Even with the onions.
No, not with the onions.
Yeah.
That's going to come later.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to add close to.
Yeah.
Wait for oil to heat for 5 minutes.
Perfect. So we're gonna add some stuff to it now.
Yeah. Now oil is already heated.
Yeah.
We are going to add some cinnamon sticks.
Yeah.
Then we are going to add all spices one by one.
Yeah.
We're going to add a little bit of cumin.
Yeah.
Then mustard seeds.
Yeah.
Then
Wow, that looks really
coriander
good.
powder.
Yeah.
Then chili powder.
Yeah.
We can use already chillies also.
Yeah.
Red chillies.
Yeah.
And we are going to add pepper powder.
Perfect. That looks really delicious. So all this stuff is gonna be added to the chickpeas afterwards.
Yeah.
I'm assuming, yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And where can you find all these ingredients? Will all the ingredients be in Coles?
Yeah, you can find it in any Asian stores.
Yeah.
You can find it in Coles also.
Yeah.
Or you can go for like Indian stores.
Oh,
Indian
okay.
grocery stores.
So now it's blending time.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you're gonna put everything in there?
Yeah, add all the spices to blender.
Yeah. Look at that spice, smells so good. I can already smell it. Alright, so now we're gonna do the onions.
Yeah. Use the same pan
Yeah.
and add little bit of cooking oil.
Yeah.
Again, add little bit of cumin seeds.
Yeah. I love that cumin.
Then little bit of mustard seeds.
Yeah.
Wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Add onions.
Yeah. Perfect. So the chickpeas are ready?
Yeah, chickpeas are already ready.
Yeah.
And look here, the color is turning into golden brown.
Yeah. Look at that, beautiful.
Now we are going to add ginger garlic paste.
Yeah.
Then 2 cups of diced tomatoes.
Yeah. Look at that, that's looking delicious.
Add little bit of salt.
Yeah.
Then little bit of chili powder.
Yeah.
This is which I already blended that time.
Yeah.
I'm going to add this one.
Yeah. Perfect. Look at that. The chickpeas coming out very nice. So this chickpea, how long does it have to cook?
It has to cook for now 10 minutes
Yeah.
because all masala is going to mix. Add little bit of water.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Perfect. And how long do you have to wait?
We need to wait for like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Then it's going to ready.
Perfect. Look at that.
10 minutes are over.
Yep. Look at that.
It's cooking nicely.
Yep.
Now
Look
we're
at
adding
that.
some coriander leaves.
Yep. To finish it off.
Yeah, finish it off.
Yep. Want to say something, Bryson?
Yeah, my friends are here They are going to judge.
Yeah? So they're gonna taste your food?
Are you ready?
Yes.
You ready for home?
Yeah, man.
Right?
Yeah, I wanna try it. Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's dig in. Yeah, that's not.
No, it looks. No, it looks.
Yeah, it looks so good. Look at that.
Yum, yum.
Good. Really good, yeah. Just spicy for me, that's it.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not a
Indian
spicy
food
person.
is spicy.
It's spicy Indian food, but it's
Yeah.
good. I love the flavor. Just a bit too hot for me.